Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Treasuries purchase with TreasuryDirect, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Treasuries purchase with TreasuryDirect, first, visit the TreasuryDirect website. Locate the Open an Account option on the home page. Click on it to begin the registration process. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Create a username and password for your account. Ensure that your password is strong to protect your sensitive information. Provide your bank account details for funds to be transferred. Review the terms and conditions of using TreasuryDirect. Agree to the terms by checking the appropriate box. Once you have completed the form, submit your registration. You will receive an email confirmation once your account is successfully created. Log into your TreasuryDirect account using the username and password you set up. Navigate to the Buy Direct tab once you are logged in. Select Treasury Securities from the drop-down menu. Choose the type of Treasury security you wish to purchase, such as bills, notes, or bonds. Specify the amount you intend to invest in Treasuries. Review the details of your purchase to ensure all information is accurate. Confirm your purchase by clicking the Submit button. After confirming, you will receive a confirmation page and an email receipt. Keep track of your Treasury purchases through your TreasuryDirect account. To activate automatic reinvestment options, go to the Manage My Account section. Follow the prompts to set up reinvestment preferences for maturing securities. Review your settings to ensure they align with your investment strategy. You are now ready to buy and manage your treasuries through TreasuryDirect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.